Today, we are going to start a powerful journey together. This journey is not only about learning English, but also about learning how to think positively in any situation. Many people believe positive thinking is just smiling or pretending everything is fine. But real positive thinking is stronger than that. It is a skill. It is a habit. And just like English, it can be learned with practice. So relax, take a deep breath, and get ready to listen, think, and speak with confidence. As you listen, I want you to repeat some sentences out loud. Your voice matters, and your practice matters. Let me ask you something simple. Have you ever had a bad day that started badly and then became worse? Maybe you woke up late, missed the bus, or received bad news? In those moments, your mind probably said, "This day is terrible." Now repeat after me slowly. "This day is terrible." Good. That sentence feels heavy, right? Words have power. Thoughts have power. Positive thinking begins when we learn to choose better words, even when life feels difficult. I want to tell you a short real-life story. A man named Alex worked in a small office. He was learning English as a second language, just like you. One day, his boss criticized his work in front of others. Alex felt embarrassed and angry. His first thought was, "I am not good enough." Repeat that sentence once. "I am not good enough." Now stop. That thought made him feel weak. But later that evening, Alex remembered something important. Thoughts are choices. So he changed his sentence. He said, "I am learning and improving every day." Repeat it with me. "I am learning and improving every day." Feel the difference? This is the power of positive thinking. Positive thinking does not mean ignoring problems. It means facing problems with a strong and calm mind. When you think positively, you ask better questions. Instead of asking, "Why is this happening to me?" you ask, "What can I learn from this?" Now repeat, "What can I learn from this?" Very good. This question opens your mind. It helps you grow. Let us connect this to English learning. Many learners say, "My English is bad." Repeat it, "My English is bad." Now change it. Say, "My English is improving step by step." Repeat, "My English is improving step by step." This small change creates motivation. Motivation gives you energy. Energy helps you practice more. Here is a simple daily exercise. Every morning, say one positive sentence about yourself. For example, "I can handle today with confidence." Repeat it slowly. "I can handle today with confidence." Say it again. Good. When problems appear, and they will, pause for a moment. Take one breath. Then choose a positive response. You might say, "This is difficult, but I will try." Repeat that sentence. "This is difficult, but I will try." Another true story can help you understand this better. A woman named Sarah failed an important exam. She cried and felt hopeless. Her first thought was, "I always fail." Repeat that, "I always fail." That thought made her want to quit. But her friend asked her one simple question. "Is that thought helping you?" The answer was no. So Sarah changed her thinking. She said, "This failure is feedback, not the end." Repeat, "This failure is feedback, not the end." She studied again, changed her method, and passed the exam later. Positive thinking helped her continue. Now I want you to practice with me. Answer this question out loud. When something goes wrong, do you usually blame yourself or look for solutions? There is no right or wrong answer. Just notice your habit. Awareness is the first step to change. Positive thinking starts with awareness. Remember this important point. You are not your thoughts. You are the person who chooses thoughts. This idea is powerful. Say it with me. I choose my thoughts. Again, I choose my thoughts. When you believe this, you take control of your mind. As we continue this journey, you will learn how to stay positive in stress, failure, and uncertainty. You will also build better English step by step. For now, remember this simple truth. Positive thinking is not magic, it is practice. Small sentences, small choices, every single day. Life does not become easy just because you think positively. Problems still come. People still disappoint you. Plans still fail sometimes. But positive thinking changes how you respond, and your response decides your future. As you listen, stay relaxed and remember to repeat important sentences aloud to train both your mind and your English. Imagine this situation. You prepared for a meeting or an interview. You practiced your English, but when the moment came, you felt nervous. Your words were slow. Maybe you made mistakes. Afterward, your mind said, everyone noticed my mistakes. Repeat that sentence. Everyone noticed my mistakes. Now pause. This thought creates fear. Instead, change it. Say, I was brave enough to try. Repeat it. I was brave enough to try. This thought builds courage. Positive thinking begins with self-talk. Self-talk is the voice inside your head. That voice speaks all day long. If the voice is negative, you feel tired and weak. If the voice is positive, you feel calm and strong. Let us practice changing self-talk together. When you feel stressed, say, I am doing my best right now. Repeat slowly, I am doing my best right now. Good. That sentence gives comfort. Here is another real story. A young man named Imran moved to a new city for work. He felt lonely and confused. He did not know many people, and his English was not strong. At night he thought, I do not belong here. Repeat that sentence once. I do not belong here. That thought made him feel isolated. One day he decided to write a new sentence on paper and read it every morning. The sentence was, I am building a new life step by step. Repeat it. I am building a new life step by step. Slowly his confidence grew. He made friends, improved his English, and felt happier. The city did not change. His thinking did. Now let us talk about mistakes. Many learners fear mistakes. But mistakes are teachers. Say this sentence with me. Mistakes help me learn. Again, mistakes help me learn. When you think this way, you stop feeling ashamed. You start feeling curious. Curiosity helps learning. Here is a simple practice for you. The next time you make a mistake in English, smile and say, that is okay, I am learning. Repeat it. That is okay, I am learning. This sentence reduces fear. Fear blocks learning. Calm opens the mind. Positive thinking also means focusing on what you can control. You cannot control the past. You cannot control other people. But you can control your effort and attitude. Repeat this sentence. I control my effort and attitude. Very good. When you focus on effort, you feel empowered. Let me ask you a question. What is one small thing you did well today? Say it out loud, even if it feels simple. Maybe you watched this video. Maybe you learned one new word. Celebrating small wins trains your brain to notice progress. Progress creates motivation. Now listen carefully to this idea. Your brain believes what you repeat often. If you repeat negative thoughts, your brain accepts them as truth. If you repeat positive thoughts, your brain also accepts them as truth. This is why repetition is powerful. Say this sentence with me twice. What I repeat, I become. Again. What I repeat, I become. Let us connect this to daily life stress. When something goes wrong, try using this three-step method. First, pause. Second, breathe. Third, reframe. Reframe means change the meaning. For example, instead of saying, this is a disaster, say, this is a challenge I can handle. Repeat that sentence. This is a challenge I can handle. Good. This simple method protects your mental energy. Another story can help you. A shop owner lost customers during a difficult time. He felt scared and angry. His first thought was, everything is ending. Repeat it. Everything is ending. That thought made him panic. Later, he changed it to, I need to adapt and find new ways. Repeat. I need to adapt and find new ways. He tried online sales and home delivery. Slowly, business improved. Positive thinking helped him act instead of freeze. Remember, positive thinking is not about lying to yourself. It is about choosing helpful truth. The truth can be, this is hard and I am capable. Repeat that sentence. This is hard and I am capable. That is a powerful balance. As we move forward, keep practicing these sentences daily. Speak them. Feel them. Let them guide your actions. You are not alone in this journey. Every listener here is practicing with you, improving together.